Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair plummeted 1.7% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair dropped 0.4% in the last session. The ROC's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The pound-dollar pair fell 0.7% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the Aussie fall 0.4% against the dollar. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Wall Street's main indexes fell in volatile trading, dragged down by Amazon.com and financial stocks, with investors focusing squarely on the Federal Reserve meeting this week, where policymakers are widely expected to raise interest rates. After a 3-month discussion, the Wikimedia Foundation, the non-profit that owns Wikipedia, said it will no longer accept cryptocurrency as a means of donating because of environmental concerns. Alphabet Inc.'s Google will provide any US business over $100,000 worth of online courses in data analytics, design, and other tech skills for their workers, free of charge, the tech giant said.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US factory orders will be released at 1400 hours GMT, the US Red Book Index at 1255 GMT, the Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting at 0 hours GMT. Germany's unemployment change will be released at 0755 GMT, Australia's RBA interest rate decision at 0430 GMT, Australia's RBA rate statement at 0430 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.